Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are doing great. Today, we are back with another episode. The questions are about moral dilemma in Pakistan. We are going to go out in the street, ask questions related to morals and values of the people. I'm your host, Zain Ali Salari, and you're watching show Just Asking. What's your name?
Miran.
Miran.
Ji.
That's a lovely name. Okay,
Thank you.
Miran, what do you do?
I'm a research coordinator at a private firm.
What's your name?
My name is Salar Mehdi.
Salal Mehdi.
Salar Mehdi.
Salar Mehdi. So we are Hum Naam. You know the same name. I'm Zain Ali Salari.
Zain Ali Salari.
Nice to meet you, Salar. What do you do?
I just completed my second year.
Just completed your
Yes.
intermediate.
Yes, intermediate, and now I am trying to
Get into a university. So what's your name?
My name is Usman.
Usman. What do you do?
I run a restaurant.
Ran a restaurant. Is it going good?
It's good.
What's it about? It's fast food something?
It's fast food, Arabic fast food.
Arabic fast food. That's good. This topic and this question is going to be amazing. If you found a bag of $10,000 in it, would you keep it or would you return back to the owner?
If I know the owner, I'd return back, of course.
If you know the owner, then you would return. If you don't know the owner,
I'll give it to the authorities.
you'll give it to the authorities.
Yes.
That's a legal way.
Yes.
That's more practical and more legal way.
I will definitely return it back to the owner.
Why don't you keep it?
No, it's against my ethics.
It's
and
against
principles.
your ethics and
Yeah.
principles.
Yeah.
Ethics and principles on the
It's-
top.
It's on the top, yeah.
Thumbs up to them.
Yeah.
Smile
Honestly.
says a lot.
I'll try to find
An honor.
in honor.
If you don't find it,
I'll keep it.
I'll keep it. That's lovely.
It's a lot of money,
$10,000 is a lot, huh?
It's a lot.
Then what would you do with that money?
First of all, I'll cover up my expenses.
Cover up your expenses of the hostel,
Yes,
traveling and all.
also traveling and
Buy
all.
something, shopping.
I'll get news. I'll get something for me. I'll go
Something.
shopping.
I don't know who would be the owner. If I
If
know the
you
owner,
know the owner,
I will return it.
and if you don't know the owner,
Then I will not pick it.
you won't pick it.
Or maybe I pick it and give it to charity.
Charity.
Yeah.
That's good. Maybe just
I will definitely pick it and give it to some poor one.
somebody who is more deserving.
Who more deserving.
If your friend is cheating on her partner,
Ah.
then would you stay loyal to your friend or would you tell to her partner that he
I'll
is
tell to
cheating?
her partner.
You'll tell to your partner
Yes.
directly. Not saying something to your friend that please refrain from these, externalities and don't go to.
You know, karma is a bitch that.
Karma is a bitch. If you are staying quiet, then it might come to you. That's good.
I will advise my friend.
Advise your friend.
Yeah. And if he's not listening to me, I will distance myself from him.
You will
So-
distance.
Yeah.
You will get back.
Yeah, I
Stepping
will
back from his life.
Yeah.
Because you know the trouble is right there.
Yeah.
It's something cooking that is good, not good for you.
Yeah, it's not good for me, but I like personally, it will be against my principle. I will have to tell the partner or step back. Like I have no part in that thing.
You don't want to play part in that.
Yeah, maybe I'll stay quiet.
Stay quiet. No saying anything. Because you don't want to create troubles around.
Yes.
That's lovely take. Staying quiet.
Yes.
Staying low key.
If the problems are theirs to solve,
It's
I'll
theirs.
rather not butt in.
Rather just stay back to
Yes.
your own life.
Yes.
That's good.
I will stay with my friend.
Always with the friends.
Always with the friends.
Yeah,
It's his personal matter, whatever
It's his
he's doing.
personal matter,
But
whatever he's
for
doing.
me, he's my friend, so.
But
I will
he
stay
is
with
your friend, yeah?
Yeah.
That's good. Would you lie to save somebody you love?
Yes.
Obviously. Always.
Always.
It's always choosing love. See, it's love on the other side.
Okay. If like the lie, if it's not like hurting them, I might. But
If
if
it's
it's-
not hurting them, you might lie to save them.
Yeah, I would like to save them. Yeah, but not
If it
like
is-
it's not. But it's like against my ethics to lie. I
It's
will.
against your ethics.
Yeah, but if like it's very serious and you want to
And
protect
you can
something,
save somebody,
yeah, then I will lie.
you will lie.
Yeah.
And that's a lovely take.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
You'll
you.
always choose love, right?
Yeah. Of course. 100%.
100%.
Yes.
You sure about it?
Yes.
No doubt in
No doubt.
you're going to save your love.
Yes.
Always.
Most probably.
Most probably.
Yes. I mean, depends on the lie.
Depends on the
Also
lie as well.
depends on
How
the
much
lie.
big the lie is.
Yes.
And how much big the person.
Yes.
And how much it means to you
Yes.
as
Obviously, yes, no problem. I can lie.
well. You can lie. But it's always saving your love. Would you expose your boss of corruption if it means losing your job?
Yes.
You will.
I will.
Because you don't want a corrupt boss on you?
Yes, I don't want.
You don't want.
I don't. I want. I don't want to.
You don't want to.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely. You're going to
Yeah.
get rid of the boss who is corrupt.
Yeah.
He's bad for you.
He will push me out, but like I'm okay with it.
But you're going to also push him out
Yeah.
of the situation because you are going to give them an allegation. But that's a proven one.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
doing corruption, right?
Yeah.
And corruption is
Bad. It's
Bad.
very bad. It's like eating up Pakistan from everywhere. If we get rid of corruption, this
We have
country will be
happy
like,
nation.
yeah. Huh?
a good nation then.
Yeah, it's very, like, Pakistan is like ethically very good. Like they can do many things scientifically on every side, but there's one problem, that is corruption. Everybody is like clinging to their power, and they are using it and misusing it.
Misusing it.
Yeah.
They're just filling up their pockets.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah, there's everyone is selfish there. If
Everyone
you-
is playing individual and selfish.
Yeah.
Most likely, yes.
Most likely, yes.
Yes.
Even if it means losing your job.
Of course, because I'm not personally invested in him. And I guess I can
You
do
can-
well for myself even afterwards.
You
so
can
it's
land
fine.
another job as
Yes.
well. Maybe another more
Yes.
better paying
Yes.
and in terms of balance
Yes.
between life.
Maybe it depends. Maybe not. I cannot say anything about it.
Because there is a situation. He's doing corruption.
I want my
share in it.
no.
You want your share in it.
If I'm an employee, then I would definitely would like to expose my job.
If you're an employer,
I expect my employees to expose corruption, but I don't know. I don't know.
if it's somebody in your employee,
Mhm.
then what would be your reaction?
They should expose.
They should expose, right?
I'm expecting that from my employees.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Then if you are reporting somebody, then if you're expecting, you should also be reporting.
I
right?
think we should expose. It's for
It's-
morality. Yeah.
it's,
We
it's
should expose.
against. It's not acceptable
Yeah,
socially.
everyone should expose.
If somebody betrayed you, would you forgive them or would you take a revenge?
I'll forgive them.
Forgive them.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Forgiving is more than taking revenge.
It's more than taking revenge.
I will forgive them, but I will distance myself from them. I will like. That's the thing, na. If someone like bites you once, twice, you're gonna have to.
You have to save yourself.
Yeah.
You don't have to put yourself into the same situation.
Yeah.
In front of the same person.
Yes, it's like you're.
So
a
he
fool
can
then.
betray you again.
Yeah. If
You
you
will
are-
be a fool if you're putting himself.
Yeah, again in that situation, that would
Again.
be foolish. Yeah.
Maybe forgive them.
Maybe
if
forgive.
he is beating me in public, then maybe I will take revenge. If he is doing it.
If it's in the
personally.
public, then you're going to deal with him.
Yeah.
Right there.
You're right there. Yes.
Now
He
good.
deserved that.
Not letting him go.
No, let him go. But in personal, maybe I will forgive him.
If
Maybe.
it's in
it
person.
depends all on mood. If I'm in Rosa, then maybe not.
If you are into the good mood, then he is going to be on safe side.
Maybe neither.
Maybe neither.
Yes. I won't forgive, but not necessarily I'll take revenge.
So it's basically forgive but don't forget.
Yes.
It's
Always.
it's that situation.
Yes.
You should just let them go,
Yes.
but don't forget the person.
Not necessarily.
Uh-huh.
I mean, but that's the route I'll most likely take.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank
It was lovely meeting you.